Okay, furnace room is ready for caulking. All trim and sanding is done. It's clean. And I just come in with caulking later. It'll look good. This is the walkthrough. I'll be filling gaps like that. Those types of gaps. That's the door. That's the window. The other door. Got the stairs. I cleaned the rails, added some corner trim there, sanded these stairs down, got all the paint off them. I cut this out. This used to go straight across and I'd hit my head on it every time. So that's cleaned up. I even did those stairs. I left that one just because it's all ready. So I have to do a little bit of paint here and seal up these edges. And we're all set. Like and subscribe. Catch you at the next one. Main Man Squanto, out.